Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I applied another set of Flexi press tips from Missu Beauty. The tips that I used are the stiletto ones and I didn't actually cut them down because I thought, I fancied just having extra long nails. So what I did to start off with, I applied some base coat to my nails which I cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Then I went in with the Missu Gel Strengthener and I have already buffed the underside of these tips. You can buy them pre-buffed, but I got them buffed. So you apply the Missu Beauty Gel Strengthener to the natural nail and then I applied it to the underside of the Flexi Press tip and then I placed that down on my nail and cured it in my LED lamp. So I cured that for 60 seconds. Now I do have a little LED torch light. You may have seen me use it in the past. So that's what I used to flash cure the nails. And then I put them under my full-sized LED lamp. So yeah, like I said, I didn't cut these down. I wanted the length of them because I love it. So I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and I went in just underneath that nail there. As you can see, cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then I buffed my nails and I filed around the cuticle areas as well to make sure that the cuticles were nice and flush. So then I went in with my gel polish. The one that I'm using, the main colour this week is pink. It's the neon pink from the neon range of the Missu Beauty collection. And I just absolutely love this colour. So I apply 2 coats of that, cure that for 30 seconds, then go in with Missu Beauty's non-wipe gel top coat and applied my cuticle oil. And there it is. So then I go in again on my forefinger. So it's Neon 01 that I use on these nails. I just really fancied some really bright nails this week just to cheer me up a little bit, I think. So again, just apply 2 coats of this and cure that for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a diamond glitter. And this one is in the shade Emerald 31. I don't know if it's still on the website. I don't think it is, so I do apologise for that, guys. But they do have lots of other diamond glitters, some amazing colours. So yeah, so I just applied this around the cuticle area and I just faded this down the nail in my usual ombre style. And then with my top coat, just applied that to my nail. After curing it, obviously, of course. And then I just cured this for 60 seconds and then went in with my cuticle oil. Cute. So then again, same colour, just on my middle finger, I went in and just applied 2 coats of this colour and I cured them both in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. How bright is this colour? I think it's just perfect for the weather that we're having at the moment. It's pretty dull and miserable today. I want to bring back the sunny weather that we had last week. So with this glitter, this is not from Missu Beauty. I think I got it from my favourite shop, The Range, and I bought this absolutely years ago. But it is one of my favourites. I think it's really cute. So I just sprinkled it on the gel polish before I'd actually cured the second coat of the colour, just so that the glitter would stick to it. And then I went in and cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. How sparkly is that? And then of course, my cuticle oil. So 2 colours here, Spring Break 2, and Neon 01. So I just apply Spring Break to the nail here, cure this layer in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a second coat. And before I cure the second coat, I go in on this gel polish wet with Neon 01. And with my detail brush, I just sort of dragged that colour across the nail. No real design, nothing specific here. I was just going a bit random, had a little idea and I ran with it. So, and I quite liked it. So then I cured that in my LED lamp, and then I got these beautiful charms from Missu Beauty, and with my Missu jewellery gel and my rhinestone pencil thing, I applied these charms. So they're like pieces of shell. They're really, really cute, like mother of pearl shell, but green. They're really, really nice. Anyway, so I cured that in my LED lamp, and then I went over that with my Missu Beauty top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. And yeah, I really quite like it. So then I applied my cuticle oil, and then I went on to my little finger. So again, same colours. I just went down the one side in Spring Break, and then I went down the other side in Neon. And with a clean brush, I went straight down the middle just to create an ombre look between those two colours. Cured that in my LED lamp and went in with another coat just to intensify that colour there. And then I went in with my Missu Beauty non-wipe gel top coat, and then I used my holographic. So I cured this, in my LED lamp for about 40 to 50 seconds. And then I went in with my holographic chrome powder just around the cuticle area and faded that down the nail. So again, ombre fashion, my favourite style. And then I went in with my top coat. So this week I went in with Flexi press tips, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this video, guys. The full length of how I applied the Flexi press tips in detail. So thank you so much for watching. As always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I'll leave all the links to the items that I used in the description box, along with my discount code for you all to take advantage of. So I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.